Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily convert an image to JPG on your Android or iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, I have this picture and I will convert this picture into a JPG file, and to do that you'll have to open up the Google Chrome browser on your phone, and after opening it you'll have to search for image to JPG. Search for it and you'll have to open up the first website. That is this logo is green color, and you'll have to search for tap on choose file and then click on media picker and then choose that image that you want to convert to JPG. And once it's uploaded, you'll have to you'll be able to find a lot of different options, and you can keep them same or and make sure that best quality is selected, and after that you'll have to scroll down and tap on start. Now it will take some time to load and to convert your image into a JPG file, and after that it will be converted and you will be able to download by tapping on this download button and then hit download again. And right now the image is converted to JPG. As you can see right here, it's JPG. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.